view references have been enhanced to report instance-based reference labels and shared parameters. Previously, when placing a view reference that referenced another view, the label was type-based, making it difficult to customize the value. Now you have access to an instance parameter, which makes it more flexible and easier to customize. You can define a unique value to the reference label in the instance properties when you select a view reference callout. In addition, a new default reference label parameter is available as a type parameter to support a default value. So you can also include shared parameters in callout heads, as well as elevation marks, section marks, and view references. This update allows for way more flexible approach to managing view data across all types of callouts. The workflow for adding and editing these shared parameters remains consistent with other family categories. The practical implications of these enhancements are far-reaching. The title block scale override defines a custom override value when views at different scales are placed on the same sheet. This feature is implemented through a new title block type parameter called scale override for multiple values. Traditionally, Revit would display an as indicated text in such cases. Now users can specify their own text to better suit the project needs or standards. If a sheet contains views of a single scale, of course, the standard scale value will still be reported. This parameter only accepts text input, so numeric values are not supported, preventing users from inputting an actual scale ratio.